Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making mushroom turkey sausage gravy. It is absolutely delicious and quick and easy, like really easy. So these are the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So to a preheated pan I added some butter, then I go in with my mushrooms and some green onions. I add a little bit of chicken bouillon and some habanero peppers. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to remove and set aside. Then I added a little bit more onions here and some habanero peppers and garlic. And now we are going to cook the sausages. Now this is a turkey sausage. All right, you're going to give that a good stir. Now for this, we're going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. Then we're going in with the gravy mix. Now you can use flour, but we are doing quick and easy today. All right, we're going to add that in, give that a good stir. When everything really well combined in this mixture, looks amazing. We are going to add just water here first. Then we are going to add some milk. All right, then I'll leave the amount I use. Then you can jazz this up a bit, season to your likeness and taste, guys. Then we're going to add the mushroom. And I must say, this was one delicious breakfast. I'm telling you, you guys just have to make this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys are already here, thank you so much. And I see you all in the next video.